All right, hello everybody. Hope you all had a great 4th of July weekend. I was crowned the 2022 Beer Olympics champion, so there's that. Didn't have any trades yesterday, too slow to me. Not going to be here tomorrow. I will be back Friday, and today was pretty slow, but we're going to break down the one small trade I did get. Let's trade. Alright, so my only trade today was here on Roblox RBLX, and you can see it's starting to hit on the negative intensity scanner. It's going to skid up into about the 15, 16 range here, and this was right when the market started to dump at the opening, so I wanted to take this one a little bit easy, but if we got down under the 38.50s, I was going to go ahead and start it there. So I get my 100 shares started here at 38.50, and I'm not going to look for a whole lot on this one. If it wants to pop off of this initial flush, I'll just look for about 30 cents or so up around 38.80. So I will go ahead and put an order up to sell this at 38.80 just in case it pops here real small real quick, and I'll just take that and go. But if not, I'll be looking to add here under 38. So kind of piecing this one out into 50-cent increments. So looking for below 38 for the next 100 share add. Otherwise, I will be willing to sell for just a 30-cent small pop gain. But it does start coming down a bit here. Market's still going. I was looking at Etsy. A lot of things were dropping big at the time, but really at this time it didn't make any sense to jump in more than one of these because they were all making basically the same move that we're making these big ones. So it didn't really make sense to get in more than one. But it is coming down towards 38 here. So watching the level 2, see if we can get under 38 here on the bid. There it's under. I'm going to go ahead and click the button. I get an add there just under 38. So I now have 200 shares long, the rare long here at an average of 38.24. And initially I'm looking at this, I'm like, all right, we'll probably just look for a retest of the $0.50, which is where I got in initially. So initially I put an order out here at 38.45 to sell all 200 shares. So this would be a small loss on the initial position, but a much bigger relative gain on the second position. So that's what I'm kind of looking for here. And then if it did want to continue down further, I would then be looking to add in an additional 200 shares if it got down under 37.50. So that was the overall plan here on Roblox RBLX, and it was just a matter of what it was going to do. You know, I wasn't overly confident in it. It's also a long. I know longs take longer, but it really starts slowing down here, and I hate longs. I hate it when it slows down, so I was getting a little uncertain of really what I wanted to do here, but I'm looking at it and I'm like, maybe I'll just move my order down to 38.40 just a little bit, just to give myself a better chance of getting that fill and at least getting a small green trade in to start the day and really my week. And I'm only gonna have 2 trading days this week, if including today, since I didn't trade yesterday. So you know, I think I'm going to go ahead and move my order down here to 38.40. So I changed the order there, and now it's just going to wait and see if I can get the fill there or not. So it is starting to pop up a little bit, but it's not super strong or anything. It's just a basic bounce back here. So I'm okay with where my order's sitting. It's getting close there on the ask, and it's getting close. Can I get the fill? And I get the fill right there. So take the small loss on the initial position, but a relatively larger win. And overall, I'm up $31. So overall, still a small trade. Wanted to take it easy. Didn't really trust much. Market is brutally slow for what I like to do right now. But hey, at least I made a little bit of money and could make a video for you guys today. So like I said, I will not be here tomorrow on Thursday. I will be back on Friday. Hope you guys had a better trading day than I did. I'll catch you later.